About this item: smarter and smaller compared with the traditional label makers, this portable label maker is smaller and smarter. Compact and lovely design, and you can take it into your pocket, and print high quality labels and stickers anytime, anywhere. Easy to use. This mini Bluetooth label printer prints stickers wirelessly. Download the Niambit app, and then connect and pair the Bluetooth via the app. The app included more than 60 plus fonts, 12 plus languages, and 400 plus borders. And it supports iOS and Android. Note: this label maker doesn't work with computers. Multiple creative templates. This app of the stickers maker provides a variety of free templates, containing texts, tables, symbols, logos, barcodes, QR codes, images, time, insert Excel, etc. Easy to create various cute label stickers from your phone. Labels are fixed in length, not support continuous label tape. Label size 0.5 to 0.